This is INGCO non-contact AC voltage detector. Its version is the VD10003. It can detect the live line and also detect neutral line. It also have the flashlight. This is power switch. It comes with 2 batteries. I think it is AAA battery. It comes with 3 AAA battery. You can also purchase from other store. You can see the back. How it looks like, you can see this. You can open here and push deep downward on the next battery. It's all okay. Now let's power on it. Now it's working. It does not detect anything. This voltage tester is only for AC voltage and it cannot be used for the DC voltage as it will not detect it. Now let's take a look how it works. Look, this is power bank, power socket. You can check it. It detects AC, dangerous AC. This is also shows positive. When it is off, it shows both live line. When we turn it on, it shows this is neutral line and this is live line. For turning on the flashlight, we can click this long press this one and the flashlight is on. Long press the screen off, flash on and off, long press it. When we click only one time, it will be more sensitive to the electricity. You can see it is more sensitive. It can now detect from far away. You can also detect it inside this. There is also current flowing. You can see. Okay, that's it. If you want to see the breakage, you can use in the high sensitivity mode and just hover over it. It will so detect it where the power line is broken. It will not light up. I will turn this sensitive mode off. Okay. When using this device, make sure the battery is full and the device is working properly. Test in other power grid and do not forget the electricity is dangerous.